All right, so next part. All the measurements are made, and wherever there's a feature, there's been marks placed for every feature on the drawing, going up vertically. They've all been placed along the side. I try to keep it outside the drawing so later I can erase those measurement marks. I did the same thing across. So every feature, so there, all of these have been located above, and I drew lines vertically for all those. And now that I have a line, construction line going from the front of the object to the right, and a line from the front of the object in this right side view going vertically, I can find the point to draw the 45-degree miter line, which will be useful later to locate all the features between these two views, the top and the right side view. So with a 45-degree set square, I line it up, and if all went well with my measurements, and this is when you find out if they don't line up perfectly, probably it's time to go back and fix the measurements. Mine's pretty close. So I'm gonna make it dark for you to see, but I am still using a 4H pencil. All right. So every feature has been located with the different lines. Next step will be to look at the drawing and retrace dark where all the object lines are going to go, and hidden lines. So I'll do a few, and then I'll pause and do some off the screen so you don't watch every single thing that's going on here. It'd be just too long, I think. So there, and then here. Okay, let me just see. Go up a little further. Set square is a little bit on the small side. Oops, there we go. All right, so here, kind of dragging my pencil in the wrong direction just so you can see what I'm doing on the camera. And then there's going to be angle line in here and there, which I need to, actually still need to locate that. I did not locate that yet, but I can do that because I know the angle is 90, so I'll draw a line 45, another line 45, and that'll help me find this point, which I don't have yet, and I'll use projection once I find that point to find this hidden line here. So those are hidden lines as well. All right, so I'll show you doing that, why not? So from that point, 45 degrees, it should really be a construction line until I locate its start and stop point. And from there, 45 degrees. Okay, now I have that point. I can transfer that down to the front view. And it's gonna go from here to here, and I'll retrace that using hidden line in this view, and those of course will be dark lines. So in this view, it would be from that point there, and the hidden line will look like this. About 3 millimeter long dash with about a millimeter dash or space in between the dashes works nice. And they will touch the line unless another line continues from there, in which case you would leave a gap. If another line continued there in a drawing, then you wouldn't touch this line. But in this case, there's nothing over here, so I go right to the lines and I make the gaps. This one I'll fix up in a minute. So I can go back and retrace some of the most of the lines, and then I'll come back on and do another video just to sum it all up, how it turned out.